It came from the woods over there, so it's mom somewhere around here.
Should we call the police? Like,
No. Hey. Just wanted to like lay down or something.
You better move more.
guys, it's scared to death. Can you please go back down there?
Just keep an eye out behind you, because it's mom somewhere around here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on.
Babe, who do I call?
Who'd you guys call? Okay.
Who'd they call?
Officers, watch the van, babe. It's calling for its mom. See, if we're able to get it back over that way, if we can get it back across the road over there. Hey.
That's gonna happen, babe. I think we need to call the cops or something.
That's what they did. We're waiting for it. I'm just making sure it doesn't run across the street again. Here, can you hold it? I'm recording.
It's legal to kill people. I'm recording it. Can I touch it?
Do you want to? Come on.
Here, hold your phone. I don't know if this is gonna be scared with me. It's
Don't
okay.
move fast. Don't move fast. It's okay.
Okay.
Here, move slowly.
Okay.
Go ahead. Move slowly. Probably pick it up and take it across the street back in the woods. Because it was on the. I know it came.
They was gonna send somebody out here. So,
Okay.
but wonder where his mom is.
I
Yeah.
think it's on the other side of that fence over there. I just don't want it to shit on me.
Babe, just wait for the people to come. You're comforting it. Just wait for the people to come.
That's what I told the cops, the dispatch lady, that she would come for me.
Making sure it doesn't run back into the street.
Yeah, that's why I turned around too.
Yeah.
I saw again. It got its head stuck in this fence,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh shit. It's a young male.
Not
No,
anymore.
He's not stuck anymore. Just making sure he doesn't run back into the street.
Yeah.
Move slowly. Move slowly.
Shake it.
Watch out. It came from over there, so its mom could be
Where's
over
the
there
mom?
somewhere.
We think
On
it's
the other
back
side
in the
of street where
forest.
That fence is scratched down. Is where this came from.
Because it keeps crying, and you think the mom's right over there.
He said he saw 3,
Okay.
so I don't know where they went. Because they're out here playing.
Yeah, I don't know. We were just coming down the road, and it was like running across the road.
It's crazy.
Ow. Jack was here so you wanted to touch the puppy.
Hey, leaning into me now.
Good. I'm gonna go take care of the van.